Florida's new idiot Surgeon General, Dr. Joseph Ladapo, was actually kicked out of a Republican state senator's office last week after he and two aides refused to wear face coverings when meeting with this Republican state senator from Florida. Republican by the name of Tina Polsky, by the way. And the reason Ms. Polsky was insisting that these individuals either wear masks or get the hell out of her office is because she was recently, just 2 months ago, diagnosed with stage 1 breast cancer. And she is currently undergoing treatment for that breast cancer. So she explained, listen, my immune system's not what it needs to be. You can't be in here without a mask, doctor. And they refused. The Surgeon General of the state of Florida refused to wear a face covering around a friggin' cancer patient. So he just left. He and his aides just left because they were doing a little bit of a walk around the Capitol to, see people, shake hands, say, hey, how are you? And of course, doing it all unmasked. This isn't surprising, but from a supposed medical professional who, as I continuously mention, actually has really good medical credentials. Okay, Ladapo on paper is not a quack. In person, he definitely is, but on paper, the guy checks all the right boxes. Harvard Medical School, UCLA as a medical researcher. That's actually where Ron DeSantis picked him from. But somewhere along the lines, with regards to this pandemic, the dude just absolutely became a total quack. Last week, he was out there during a press conference saying that we don't know what's in the vaccines. We don't know if they actually work. They're only 40% effective, which is a total complete lie. Hell, even the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which is less effective than the other ones, is still well over 40% effective. I don't know where he pulled that number from, but I'm assuming he'd have to stand up for us to see where it came from. This man should not be in charge of the health decisions of the state of Florida, but he is. And that's not an accident. This is the kind of whack job that Republican Governor Ron DeSantis wanted to put in that position of power. Because Ron DeSantis has been coming out, questioning the safety of vaccines now, much like Dr. Ladapo. He's banned mask mandates here in the state of Florida, tried to fine school districts and cut their pay if they implemented mask mandates. So he went out and picked a Surgeon General that would back him up on these idiotic policies. And this is what we get. Potentially infecting a member of your own party who is already suffering from stage 1 breast cancer just because you wanted to, I guess what, make a point that you don't need masks, that you don't trust masks? This is hitting absurd levels. And of course, it's a level of absurdity that you could only find here in the state of Florida. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for fresh content 7 days a week.